This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 1020 size tray in the color black, and this is the 5-pack. And the reason why I bought these particular Bootstrap Farmer trays is because of the fact that I am looking to reduce my single-use plastic when it comes to gardening, and I wanted to make an investment into my growing future. And this has been in use. These have been in use for 3 years now already. And I know that I will be getting many, many years to come yet. And these are BPA free, and they are so heavy duty. And they have eliminated a lot of casualties that I used to have when using single-use plastics from when I would transport inside to outside, especially when it comes to hardening off. I'm transporting plants every day, morning and night. And so it's to have a good sturdy, a good sturdy tray, in my opinion, is really important to ensuring the safety of my seedlings.